everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log in to Crunchyroll app on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump right in. First, make sure you've downloaded Crunchyroll application on your iPhone. If not, go to your app store and get it downloaded first. Once you have the application, give it a tap in order to launch the app open. If you'd like Crunchyroll to find and connect to devices on your local network, click OK. Allow more access for the application by tapping on Allow and you'll find yourself in this page. If you don't have a Crunchyroll account yet, tap on Create Account button. If you do, select Log In and give it a tap in order to log into your account. Now, on the next page, you should be able to see your login area. Type in your email address or your username that is associated with Crunchyroll. Make sure to type in the same information that you created while signing up for Crunchyroll. Type in your email address or your username in the first text field. You can type in any one of them. Now, head over to the next field where it says password. Type in your password correct as well. You can double check your password before moving on by tapping on the eye icon at the right corner of the password box. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. After entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, tap the login button beneath. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be logged into your Crunchyroll account. To enable push notifications from Crunchyroll so that you can be up to date on everything about new shows to new features, tap on Yes, Enable Notifications. If you don't want it, tap on Not Right Now. And as you can see that you've landed in the main homepage of Crunchyroll. Here, you can go ahead and select the popular anime of your choice and start streaming. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.